Bethany. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to make a gift out of jewelry, specifically leather jewelry. I will attach a link to the video where I repurposed leather to make jewelry, and as promised I want to show you how to give them as gifts in a unique way. So find my video and make some jewelry. If you don't want to, you can go buy some jewelry and you can still make this gift for someone. So the theme to this gift bag that we're going to make is beautiful things. So the earrings are beautiful. We are going to add a bracelet and a scarf, which I think it's really fun to get jewelry and accessories from other people because they will pick something that I normally wouldn't have picked and kind of push me out of my comfort zone when it comes to wearing things, which when you get dressed, the only goal is that you are confident as a person and you wear what you need to wear to feel confident. But it's fun to get unique things from other people. So with this card, when you pick stationery, you want it to be very simple. That way it can match the theme of gifts you give and it's not distracting or obnoxious. And so I wrote, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. You are one for me. And that'd be really special if someone wrote that to you. So hopefully you have someone that you would like to write a very special note to and give a gift. First of all, I'll be including 3 pair of earrings that I made out of repurposed leather. And I went to World Market. I like going to unique stores where the person who's receiving gifts from me won't have seen before, and they won't just be from your local big box store. Make sure you take off the price tag. If you can't take off the whole tag without the whole price without it looking nice, then just use a permanent marker and go over top of the price. You don't want to remove the entire tag, otherwise they won't know if you went and bought the stuff or if you are re-gifting. You don't want to re-gift this kind of stuff. So when you pick something like a scarf or jewelry or clothes for people, you don't want to pick something that's just a solid color because, for one, it's a little boring and it's not personal. And you also don't want to pick something that's too obnoxious. So make it unique, something that you haven't seen before, but keep it simple. We don't need animals or team sports or anything like that. If someone wants those, they will go buy them. But keep it simple and classy, but not boring. When you purchase gift bags, you're going to want to do the same thing. Simple, solid colors, nothing obnoxious. You want the person who's receiving this to be able to reuse their gift bag. So we have a gift bag and we don't need tissue paper because we have this really pretty scarf. So we'll put the scarf in and let it hang over a little bit. And we'll just tuck the earrings in there and the bracelet. And then finally, I like to put cards on the outside so people read them before they open up a gift basket or a gift from me. That way they know the theme of it before they open it all up, and it's just a little more exciting that way. I will use a hole puncher to punch a hole in the top and a little bit of ribbon or twine or yarn or rope. And tie it to the outside like that and put their name right there. Fun gift to give someone, thoughtful gift to give someone, and inexpensive because you made the jewelry. If you want to up the price, you can add a gift card to this, and if not, I would be very happy with receiving this. So hopefully you find someone that you can give this to and share the sweetness of creativity. Thanks for watching.